Big Bew is a coward, he provokes but can't handle it. He's a big crybaby, cries and laments. The guy only talks nonsense, says he's the tough guy, but in the end, diarrhea becomes the solution. Big Bew needs diapers, that's the situation. He starts to smile, but